Alright guys, I'm back with another video. This time I'm gonna be talking about a new CSS library that you can use. It's not new actually, but you can use it for animation. It's called Animate CSS, right? It's a CSS library. So you can do like a lot of CSS animations with it without having to type out everything in plain CSS. You can just use the classes that they have and make like new animations with it without having to do the keyframes and stuff. And you can just use it like a bootstrap and just use the classes, right? So let's just dive into it. And the first thing is we're gonna go to their website. This is the website, animate.style, animate.css, right? So in the documentation, I've read all the documentation, so I know what I'm talking about a little bit. So hopefully, so we're gonna add the link first, right? Or you can get it from CDN or whatever. But we're gonna add the link. So animate CSS, and this is the link. Let me fix the link really good. And, alright. So in here you can see my the box that I'm going to animate it and the background. So here's the CSS. If you want to copy it real quick, I'll just click this up first. Yeah, so if you want to copy this real quick, just pause the video, copy this, and just this is all the CSS you need for this video, and we will be adding some classes, right? So after installing, or you can install it with npm or add the CDNs. We're going to do the simple version and add the CDN, and then you can add the class. So this is the class that you need all the time to like animate it. Animate it, right? Yep. And after that, let's do a bounce. bounce, bounce. Let's see if this works actually. Alright, so here's probably the simplest CSS animation, the bounce. So I'm gonna be showing you a few more, and let me check my notes. Alright, so we're going to do flash. Flash. That's the flash. And pulse. We also got pulse. We got rubber band. Alright, that actually works like a rubber band. Alright, then we got shake X. Shake X. You guys can see where I'm going, right? Shake Y. You can find all of this in here. All of this in here. See? We're gonna do head shake. HEADSHAK. Head shake. And yeah, just a simple animation. Swing. Alright. And this is the simplest animation. For a little bit better animation, we can do the back, in, down, and yeah. So this is like the better animation. It's like when you can like scroll down, right? And you got the header, you got the main section, and maybe an article. You can do the article like that, right? Simple form. And we also got back, out, up. Where'd it go? It's just gone. Alright. And we also got bounce in. And guys, you guys can go to their website and check out all of the animation that I'm doing it. I'm not gonna put in every one of the animation. I'm just showing you a little bit about the animation that you guys can use. And we also got some fade out, like that, fade in, fade in, top right. See, just some left. Let's see. Yeah, so that's just one of the few ways. There's a lot of animation in there. Just go to the website and you can check out everything. All right, so uh, right now we're gonna work with delay. Let's show you guys what delay is. So you got the bounce effect, right? No, the fading effect, and we can do animate delay 2 seconds, right? And let's see what it does. See, it just came in after 2 seconds. You got 3 seconds, you got 4 seconds, and you got 5 seconds. Or you can just go to their root folder, right? You can go to their root folder. If you download and install it, then you can go to the root folder like this and just do the animation delay 2 seconds. But we're not going to do that. We're just going to stick to the CDN version, so we don't need to do all of the custom shit. We also got slow, slower, fast, and faster classes. So let's do animate dot slow. Slow is 2 seconds, so we don't need that. Let's do fast. Slower is 3 seconds. Slow is 2 seconds. Animate underscore fast is going to be 800 milliseconds, right? That's 800 milliseconds. And we can do faster. It's going to be 500 milliseconds. See? And you can do like custom animation with it. Like you can just go to the root and do animation duration, animate duration 2 seconds, and just read the documentation. You'll be able to know that for a little bit more. And we also got repeat. Repeat 2. Alright. And we can do 3, 4, 5, whatever you guys want, but I'm going to do infinite. And F-I-N-I-T, infinite. Work. Why isn't it working? Oh, not repeat. It's going to be infinite, infinite. Alright? I-N-F-I-N-I-T, infinite. Alright. Now it's gonna keep doing the same thing for over and over again, right? So that's all, right? Don't animate root elements. The document just telling you not to animate. Like if you have a main, don't animate that. I don't know why, but if you want to animate, go right ahead. But if you don't, it's all up to you. But I'm just showing you guys how to use one of these, and just give you a simple example of how to use the Animate CSS, Animation CSS. This is one of the simplest library. You can just understand the library in like 30 minutes. Go to their website and like learn about the library in like 30-40 minutes, and you'll be up and going with the Animate CSS. You'll never have to do the animation by plain CSS, writing all the code out and shit. You don't have to do that anymore. You can just do it Animate CSS, right? So that's all for this video, and I just want to show you a little bit about this awesome library that they have. Just go to their website, animate.style, and learn all about it. I just showed you a little bit. I hope you learned something from it, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.